Hello? Hello? Can you see me?
Hold on a second, let me fix something.
What about now? Can you see me now? I'm way down here, you're way up there, looking at me through the camera of the drone. Let me land it and we'll talk more. That was awesome. This is my drone. Check it out. This drone is pretty small. It weighs less than 2 kilograms, but believe it or not, there are drones that are smaller than this, like about that size. Those drones are probably used just for fun, for kids and people learning how to fly a drone. This one's a little bit bigger. This one is used for videos and photography and people who have a little bit of training. And then you can get big drones. Those drones are used by farmers and fireys and police to safely survey large areas. Pretty cool, hey? Now, this one has a camera on the front. And it also has a battery right here. These 4 arms that fold out, they have propellers on the end. And they spin around, and that's what's going to give it lift off the ground.
Take off.
So how does it get from down there to up there?
In order for me to control it from my end, I need to use this remote control and an app on my phone.
But I can't take all the credit. The computers inside drones are really smart. They do most of the flying calculations for you. So, they're way easier to fly than a remote-controlled helicopter or airplane. But they still have to follow the rules of aerodynamics. The 4 propellers on the drone create what's called lift. It's the push of air created by a spinning propeller. The more lift it has, the higher and faster it can go. The faster the propellers go, the faster and higher the drone can go to overcome the force of gravity, which is always pulling downward.
So how does it hover like that? Well, the propellers have to give it enough lift, pushing air up, in order for it to counter the forces of gravity, which is pulling it down. And then it stays in one place. As long as they're equal, it stays in one place. If you wanted to move it forward, backwards, or to the side, you have to slow one of the propellers, one or more of the propellers down, in order for it to do that. And that way the forces of gravity take hold a little more.
The force produced by the propellers lifting it in the air must equal the force of the gravity pulling it down.
See you later. Fly safe.